Good morning, third graders. It is Tuesday, May 19th, and this is your final math practice test of third grade. So we are taking today Chapter 8's practice test. It'll look like this, and you'll be needing your ruler for this on your first page, and I think there's a couple problems in between as well. You'll need a ruler. So on your first page, you're going to measure 4 different items, and you need to make sure that you're measuring them in inches, not in centimeters. So make sure on your ruler you're on the side with INCH, not on the side with CM, which stands for centimeters, because then you'll be measuring incorrectly and your answer will be wrong. So just make sure when you're measuring your rulers on the side of INCH. On problems 5 through 10, you're going to be estimating units of length with measurement. So if you remember last week we discussed when you measure a person, you typically measure them in feet. If you're measuring the distance from Riverside to San Diego, you're going to do it in miles or kilometers. So just think about what type of measurement you would use. So number 5, for instance, says what is the best estimate for the width of a student's desk? 3 inches, 3 feet, 3 yards, or 3 miles. So 3 inches, think of your ruler, it's probably about this big. It's probably a little bit too small to measure a desk. 3 miles, well that's pretty far. That would be like me running to from my house to the grocery store. It would be about 3 miles. 3 yards, well 3 feet equal 1 yard. So 3 yards is going to equal 9 feet. Well, is your desk 9 feet? That's pretty big for a desk. And then the other measurement to look at is 3 feet. So you kind of sometimes when you're having to think about what's the best estimate of something, put it in your head and think, what does this measurement stand for? So if I'm saying again 3 miles, it would probably be like me running from my house to the local grocery store would be about 3 miles. That's way too big for a desk. So sometimes if you're not sure what the right answer is, start eliminating ones that you know are way too big or way too small, and then see what you have left. For page 3, you're going to measure, but this time on number 11, you're going to actually measure either in millimeters or centimeters. So they have a little toothpick on the page, and it says, which is the length of this toothpick? It says 5 millimeters, 5 centimeters, 6 millimeters, or 6 centimeters. And if you remember, centimeters is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 30. And the millimeters are the little ones that are in between. So it takes 10 millimeters to equal 1 centimeter, if you remember our song that we listened to last week. And the rest of the test, you're just going to have to make sure that you go step by step and read the directions. If you have any questions, feel free to email your teachers. When you're done, you can send this to us. Good luck, guys, and have fun on your last practice test. When you're done, we're asking you just to do 10 minutes of GG fluency. All right, bye, guys. Enjoy your Tuesday.